Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this tulip bouquet wreath with the Dollar Tree Mermaid frame. I used 10 tulip bushes I got last year at Joann's. You could also substitute tulips for another flower of your choice. I started by attaching one bush to the far side of the frame, and I'm bending the stem part so it will sit better on the frame. Then I'm going to use my wire to secure the tulips to the frame. I just wrap the wire around about 10 times, then cut it with my scissors and tied a knot with the wire so it doesn't unravel. I'm going to continue this process with the next one. I'm going to place it right beside the first bush, then take my wire and secure it to the frame. For the next layer, I'm going to start by adding one tulip bush right below the first layer, and I'm placing it in between the first and second bush in that first layer. I'm also placing the tulips very close to each other, almost touching, so there will be no gaps. Once I get that into position, I'm going to secure it to the frame with my wire. I'm going to continue this process with the next layer, and at this point it gets a little more difficult for the wire, so just secure the tulips as best as you can. Now I'm going to take a 10 by 10 piece of burlap mesh, and I'm going to roll the opposite corners in to meet in the center. And with the rolls facing inward, I'm going to attach this piece to the side of the frame with a pipe cleaner. I'm doing this because some of the metal frame is showing on the side, so I'm just using this piece to cover it. Next, I'm going to take another piece of mesh, and this time I'm going to start at one corner and loosely roll it to the opposite corner. Then fold it in half and secure it with a pipe cleaner. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the next piece by rolling it, but instead of folding it in half, I'm going to tie a pipe cleaner around the center. I made 7 rolls, and I'm going to position them around that last layer of tulips. Once I get them in place, I'm using a pipe cleaner around them all to hold them in place. They were pretty secure for me, but if you want more security, you can use a glue gun and glue them down. Now I'm going to take my Dollar Tree ribbon and glue a piece around the mesh to hide those pipe cleaners. Then I'm going to take my bow and hot glue that to the front. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more DIYs, free SVGs, and crafting videos. Thank you so much for watching.